Concrete countertops are a great option for DIYers since they are relatively easy to make and can be made to fit custom shapes and applications. Building a concrete countertop is simple. It starts with a form built to match the shape of the top, which is made in place or inverted. We chose to build ours with the inverted method. The advantage of the inverted method is that the finished side of the countertop is created by the form, so no troweling is required to get it smooth. Once the form is built, then the concrete can be poured. Rebar or wire is then added to reinforce the concrete. After the concrete cures, the top can be removed from the form. Then stain and finish can be applied, which adds protection from spills, dirt, and weather. This outdoor countertop was split into 4 L-shaped sections that surrounded the fireplace insert. The advantage is that they weigh less and are easier to handle, but also provide relief joints in between each section. The 4 sections also create a stylish design element. First, you'll need to make the forms. The forms are built from 3/4 inch melamine particle board. Cut all the parts for the base to size with a circular saw and a straight edge. To make cutting easier, place wooden strips on the top of the sawhorses for saw blade clearance. Rip the sides to width. A portable table saw will keep all the sides a uniform width. The width needs to be the thickness of the countertop plus 3/4 inch. For safety, make sure you use a push block while ripping. Next, mark the length of the sides for each side of the form. Cross-cut the sides to length using a circular saw and a speed square. Drill countersunk shank holes into the sides where the screws will be located. The shank holes will allow the sides to pull up tight during assembly. Drill a pilot hole through the side into the edge of the base. This will prevent the base from splitting. Then, drive construction screws through the sides into the base. If you need a way to help support the sides, clamp a scrap block underneath the form to support the sides during assembly. Continue to assemble the base until all the sides have been attached. Drill and drive screws through the ends at the corners. The next step is to seal up the joints. Apply silicone caulking to the inside corners. Then run your finger across the caulk to make a smooth radiused corner. This will give the top a smooth, rounded edge when it's finished. Now you have a finished form that's ready for concrete. Make sure to watch part 2 to get all the information on mixing and pouring the concrete.